Hi everybody, today we're going to present our project. We made it about El Florero de Llorente or Llorente's Base. My name is Carolina Orrego and I am a business student in 5th semester.
I'm Laura Beltrán and I'm studying economics and we're both taking English level 6.
So, firstly, we are going to introduce why we chose our project. We consider Llorente's Base is a very important symbol of Colombia's independence history. But why do we choose it? Because everybody can have a flower base in their house, but this one, especially this one, is considered very important in Colombians and also in the Colombian history due to the denial of a base loan by the Spanish merchant that Jose González Llorente gave to Mr. Luis de Rubio. So now I'm going to give you a little context of the Colombian independence because the Florentes base that happened in this phase. So Colombia Independence Day is celebrated annually on the 20th of July. So an important event that marked this day is that in 1810 the residents of Bogota were stirred into protesting on the streets against Spanish rule. So this is a little bit of the Colombian independence history that gave context to the Llorentes base.
Okay, so the social analysis. Llorente's base socially represents the cry of independence, but if we make a deeper analysis, the inequality and inequity between social classes of the epoch can be evident. At this time, at this moment, the culture was extremely classist and there was no government to protect the vulnerable people. So this difference and the fact that each social group has certain privilege delimited by economic power, along with the injustice and inequity, was the facts or the reasons that raise up the struggle. And finally, we want to tell you that we went to the museum and we really enjoyed the experience. And we think that you should go there because there's people that can explain the history and actually is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.